So this is going to be a short review of these two tripods, the Reticam and the Neewer tabletop tripod. I'm only going to tell you what you're going to need to know. I'm not going to go into any of the specifications or how things work, because if you're just wanting to know the difference or which one you want to buy, that's why you can watch this video. I'm going to get right to the point. You're going to want to buy the Neewer tabletop tripod, and you're not going to want to buy the Reticam. The reason is going to be because of a few things. Yeah, these are nice. I prefer the clip-on rather than the screw, because you have to unscrew the legs in the Neewer in order to extend the legs. And I prefer the clip, right? But to begin with, if this is aluminum or whatever material this is of, it is kind of cheap. That's the way it is. Also, this kind of sticks out, kind of like maybe an older tripod, and it's not as slick looking, and it's a little more, it's bigger, so it takes up more space. And as you can see, I have a table that I'm limited on space, and so that's kind of something that I need to keep in mind, and you're going to need to keep that in mind if you're thinking about buying either one of the two. Not only does this kind of stick out like a sore thumb, I mean, look at it. You can't take it off. It just sticks out. So what are you're gonna have it here, ready, and then you're gonna keep it there? I mean, I don't know. I don't like it. Also, you're gonna notice that these are roughly the same height, right? These are roughly the same height. The thing is that the way this one is able to reach its height is by this cranking up and down the center pole, this neck area, right? That's how you make this go up and down. The way this goes higher is by moving the legs. So consequently, what you have is the legs on the Neewer tripod are smaller by 3 inches than the Reticam, and so the Reticam takes up more table space than the Neewer. Now, I have already put in for a return on these, both of them. This one, for the reasons I said, and this one, because when I got it, look at this thing. It comes out. It doesn't screw in. It's broken. So I got it broken, but that's all right. I'm going to take it back. Another thing is that, so let's say you want to move this one up and down. Okay, you unscrew that. You can do that. That's cool. You want to move this left and right. Okay, you can do that. That's cool. You know, and here, it's very minimal. And you can just unscrew this to move this back and forth. You unscrew this, and see, that ball comes back and forth. And that's more, I really like that. I like that style. Now, there's no difficulty in doing it with 2 hands. And this is slicker. And this is like metal. This feels sturdier. I'm not going to be using all this compass, but it looks fancy, so it looks cooler. Seriously, why do people actually use them? Because if you want your camera to move, you just go like this. That's it. You don't need to, I mean, what is this supposed to tell you? How many degrees you're supposed to move it? I mean, whatever. So I like this one a lot better, and I can, it's more mobile. I just like it a lot better. So buy the Neewer, pass on the Reticam.